Q1265. Which of the following sources of information should you consult first when determining what maintenance should be performed on an sUAS or its components? A. Local pilot best practices. B. 14 CFR Part 107. C. Manufacturer guidance. The correct answer is C. When determining what maintenance should be performed on an sUAS or its components, the manufacturer's guidance should always be consulted first. The manufacturer's guidance will provide specific instructions on how to maintain the sUAS and its components properly. It will also provide recommendations for how often maintenance should be performed and what types of maintenance are required. Following the manufacturer's guidance will help ensure that the sUAS remains in good working condition and operates safely. While local pilot best practices and 14 CFR Part 107 may provide additional information on maintenance requirements, the manufacturer's guidance should always be consulted first. 1266. Under what conditions should the operator of a small, unmanned aircraft establish a scheduled maintenance protocol? A. When the manufacturer does not provide a maintenance schedule. B. When the FAA requires you to, following an accident. C. Small unmanned aircraft systems do not require maintenance. The correct answer is A. It is recommended that small unmanned aircraft operators follow the maintenance schedule provided by the manufacturer. However, if the manufacturer does not provide a maintenance schedule, it is the responsibility of the operator to establish a maintenance protocol to ensure the safe operation of the small unmanned aircraft system. 1336. What action should the operator of an sUAS take if the manufacturer does not provide information about scheduled maintenance? A. The operator should contact the FAA for a minimum equipment list. B. The operator should establish a scheduled maintenance protocol. C. The operator should contact the NTSB for component failure rates for their specific sUAS. The correct answer is B. If the manufacturer does not provide information about scheduled maintenance for an sUAS, it is the responsibility of the operator to establish a maintenance protocol. This can help ensure the safe and reliable operation of the sUAS and its components. The maintenance protocol should be based on industry best practices and may include regular inspections, repairs, and component replacements based on the sUAS's usage and environmental conditions. 1267. Scheduled maintenance should be performed in accordance with the A. Manufacturer's suggested procedures. B. Stipulations in 14 CFR Part 43. C. Contractor requirements. The correct answer is A. Manufacturers provide maintenance recommendations and procedures for their products, and following these procedures ensures that the sUAS remains in a safe and airworthy condition. Additionally, adhering to the manufacturer's suggested procedures may be required to maintain the warranty on the product. Part 43 of 14 CFR outlines the maintenance requirements for certificated aircraft, but it may not be applicable to small, unmanned aircraft systems. Contractor requirements may be relevant if the sUAS is being used in a commercial or industrial setting, but they are not the primary source of guidance for scheduled maintenance. 1268. The responsibility for ensuring that an sUAS is maintained in an airworthy condition is primarily that of the A. Remote pilot in command. B. Owner or operator. C. Mechanic who performs the work. The correct answer is A. Due to the weight component along the aircraft's inclination path, runway slope has an impact on launch distance. An upslope would provide a component of retarding force, whereas a downslope would contribute a component of accelerating force. When there is an upslope, the retarding force component combines with rolling friction and drag to lessen the net accelerating force.